So today guys, we are making some jerk chicken, and this is my chicken here, all cut up, washed, lime and vinegar to cut away the rawness, and it's about like 2 pounds of chicken. So guys, so what I'm going to do is, this is all my season. I have the all-purpose grace season, some salt, the jerk sauce of course, and this is the Walker's Wood jerk sauce, the mild, and I also have some blended green seasoning. So what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm just gonna go in with my jerk sauce. So I'm gonna be generous guys, because this is mild, so at least 3 tablespoons full. Okay, this is a good amount of chicken, 2 pounds. Also, I'm gonna go in with like a teaspoon of salt, because you know, even though it's the jerk sauce have some salt, you need a little more, just like a teaspoon. I'm also gonna go in with my all-purpose, also another teaspoonful, and I'm just gonna eyeball it. Yeah, not too much, because we don't want it to be salty. And I also gonna go in with my green seasoning. So this is like a small amount guys, because I was using some in another dish. So we're just gonna go in and put all that there. And that is mandatory. That's not mandatory guys. You don't have to put it in, it's optional. So I know a lot of people use gloves and all of that, but you know, I'm cooking for myself. I don't feel like it's necessary. If I'm cooking for someone else, like in the restaurant and all that, then you know, you have to go in with your gloves. But I'm just gonna go in with my hand, and I'm gonna just mix this up together. So you want to go in and try to let each piece get a generous amount of the jerk sauce and all of that. So don't be afraid to go in with your hands guys. So we're gonna rub this together, and we're gonna put it away for marination for an hour. You can season it and put it away overnight. That's even better. But at this point, I don't have a lot of time on my hands, so I'm just gonna leave it to marinate just for an hour. I'm also gonna put a little bit of oil on it to help with the seasoning process. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So just a little to help with the marination, and it give it moisture. So let's mix this around some more with the oil. And try to put the seasoning in the I make some gourds on the leg area and on the thigh, and I'm just gonna put some of the seasoning in all these spaces under the skin and all of that, and we're gonna just mix it. Another thing that I like to do, guys, and that gonna help with my coloring, I always like to put some soy sauce. So I have always, when I buy Chinese food, I always save these little packages, and I'm just gonna use just one pack soy sauce. So just gonna cut it open and just pour it all over and your chicken. This will give it help with the coloring. You're gonna give it that nice brown color that we are looking for. And we are going to cook this in the oven, guys. This is not outside, this is the oven style. I don't have a grill for outside, so we're gonna grill it right here in the oven. So at this point, I'm just gonna take my plastic wrap and I'm just gonna put it over my chicken and put it away to marinate for an hour. And I will see you in an hour. So guys, 1 hour later, look at our meat, looking all marinated and looking good. So we are getting ready to put our meat in the oven. And guys, I upgrade a little. I bought this nice all-clad roasting pan. This is my first time using it, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna, this is a pan where you can, you put your vegetables at the bottom while your meat is on top cooking. So we're gonna go ahead and rub our seasoning once more before we place on the rock. I'm also gonna just taste a little to see if it's okay or it need a little more season. You always want to taste your food. So now we are getting ready to place our meat in our pan. So let's grab this big leg and thigh section. Just gonna put it there. Get another piece over here. We're just gonna place that there. Head and tail. Place another one over here. Put another one in there. Just gonna place that. I like this pan, it's very huge. Let's see how it does in terms of cooking. We're gonna, like I said, this is my first time using this pan, new brand. So, wash my hands. And we're just gonna place it in the oven. So, I see you. So guys, let's check on our jerk chicken to see where we at this point in terms of cooking. So I'm just going to take it out. This is what it looks like at this point. It's coming along, definitely. But we need to go some more. I can tell just by looking at it. But we're gonna go ahead and test for tenderness. Yes. It's almost there, guys. In another, I would say half an hour or so, we should be there. Cooking nicely. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to use some of the juice at the bottom to drizzle a little. Okay guys, so let's try. So how can I do this now? It's kind of difficult to do, but we gotta do it. All right. I have an idea. So because it's kind of awkward to get the juice out with the spoon, I'm gonna try to pour it out in this little dish over here. Guys, I was able to pour the juice into this small bowl here, and what I'm going to do at this point, I'm gonna just drizzle over my meat. So I'm pretty much basting, reintroducing my juice. Some people use red stripe bear and all of that, but I don't have that, so I'm just going with this method. So this is just pretty much reintroducing the juice. So I put my temperature up to 450, and I'm gonna put it back into the oven, because at this point we are trying to catch our color, a nice brown jerk color. So in another half an hour, I'll say, we should be done. So guys, let's check on our jerk chicken. It should be done by now. So let's check. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We have a killer color here. The color is to die for. Look at that. OMG. And we have our gravy sitting at the bottom. All that juice from the chicken is sitting right at the bottom there. Wow. This is good. I'm telling you. The taste is to die for. The looks is to die for. Let's move up a little closer so you can get a better look at what we have here. Take a look, guys. You just take a look. I'm so proud of myself. This is a nice pan. It did a great job. So what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm gonna share you some of my jerk chicken. We're gonna serve that, and we're gonna serve it with some fried plantain. So here we go, guys. So let's see what we got here. So we have nice piece of drumstick and thigh. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna lay everything on my plate. Let's put some wings. This is another piece of drumstick. Let's lay that right there. This is the breast area. I'm just gonna lay everything, guys, on my plate. take a look at what we got here. Let's get this piece right there. And now we're just gonna lay some of our nice plantain. So guys, look what we have here. A nice big plate of jerk chicken. Look at it, guys. Look at the color. Look at it. OMG. Oh, that is hot. Whew. So as you can see, look at the juice. We still have the juice in the bottom that dripped in the bottom. This is your gravy, guys, and we're just gonna pour it over the chicken. So let's do it. Kind of scrape it together like that, so we can get all that rich juice and gravy mix in the bottom that came right from the chicken, guys. This is so beautiful. So we're just gonna drizzle over our chicken. We're just gonna get all that juice. So we just incorporating all that juice in our chicken. Look at it. Isn't this gorgeous? I can't wait to dig in. Not gonna lie to you. This is your jerk chicken done in the oven. I think I outdid myself this time. Yeah, but this is a very good investment in this spot here. Don't lie. So take a look, guys. This is your jerk chicken served with some fried plantain. How gorgeous is that? Take a look. Take a look at it. Nice. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks for staying with me. Please like the video, comment, share it with your friends and families, and just share it in general. I appreciate it. And those of you that subscribe to my channel, thanks a lot. Bye for now. I see you in my next one.